Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the parts of the body. Let's get started. Head and face. Hair. Hair. Eye. Eye. Nose. Nose. Tooth. Teeth. Tooth. Teeth. Ear. Ear. Mouth. Mouth. Lip. Lip. Neck. Neck. Arm and leg. Shoulder. Shoulder. Elbow. Elbow. Wrist. Wrist. Arm. Arm. Hand. Hand. Finger. Finger. Thumb. Thumb. Nail. Nail. Leg. Leg. Knee. Knee. Foot. Foot. Toe. Toe. Rest of body. Chest. Chest. Side. Side. Stomach. Stomach. Back. Back. Waist. Waist. Hip. Hip. Inside the body. Heart. Heart. Brain. Brain. Blood. Blood. Pronunciation problems. Eye. Knee. Stomach. Heart. Blood. Foot. Tooth. Singular and plurals. 1 foot. 2 feet. 1 tooth. 2 teeth. Hair is a singular word. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe and hit the notification bell.